What a guan, YouTuber, what a guan. It's been way too long. My bumper clap back now. I'm back and I'm ready to speak some patwa lessons to you guys. It's been way too long. So let's get into this lesson. I have 4 words I'm going to teach you today. I'm going to tell you the 4 words. Matter of fact, the first word we're going to talk about is called look-more. So if somebody say, I'm going to talk to you a little more, I'm going to check you a little more. Basically, look more means later. I'm going to talk to you a little more. Little more is meaning later. I will speak to you later. It could be like goodbye in a sense. But me, take a little more as I'm going to chat to you a little more. Basically, I'm going to talk to you later. So look more is later, guys. I'm going to chat to you a little more. I'm going to talk to you a little more. I'm going to see you later, I'm going to see you a little more. Basically, I'm going to see you later. I'm going to talk to you later. So, little more is basically later, guys. That's the first Jamaican word, little more. I'm going to chat to you a little more. And the next word we're going to talk about is, this is the word where everybody do. When you go out, you say, I go eat, right? Basically, when you go out, you said you're going to eat. So in Jamaica, when we mention eat, we say we are going nyam. So going to eat is nyam. I'm going to nyam the food. Basically, I'm going to eat the food. I'm going to the restaurant, and when I go to the restaurant, I'm going to nyam some good food. Basically, I'm going to the restaurant and I'm going to eat some good food. So basically, eat is nyam. I'm going to nyam food. And I'm going to eat some food. So look more and nyam. Look more later. Nyam is meaning you're going to eat. And the next thing we're going to talk about is maga. Maga. When somebody call you maga in patwa, basically when someone call you skinny in patwa. So maga means skinny. So if someone think you're skinny, they're gonna call you maga. Like, man, the boy right over there, so maga here and the girl maga too. Basically, the boy is really skinny. That girl is really skinny. Because basically, in the past, we talk about boy is for boy. Gal is for gal. So the gal maga, the man maga too. Basically, the girl and the man is maga. Meaning they're both skinny. So maga means skinny, right? Hey. And then the last thing we're going to talk about, mainly the last thing we're going to chat about is medeya. Medeya. So everybody wants to know where I've been, like, because I've been on YouTube. Medeya. So medeya chill, medeya try to figure out life. Me just there, So basically, medeya is basically where, like, medeya. So me here, me here. So medeya is basically I'm here, okay? Medeya here. So then say Shafine, basically shy. Where have you been? Medeya. Basically, I'm here. I'm here. So Medeya is here. Medeya here. I'm here. Medeya, I'm here. So look more is later, right? Maga meaning you're skinny, meaning you're skinny. Maga is meaning you're skinny, right? Hey. And then nyam meaning you want to eat some food. So eat. Nyam is eat. Medeya is I'm here. So look more is I'll see you later. And then nyam, meaning you're going to eat something. Maga is meaning you're skinny. And medeya is basically I'm here. I hope you enjoy this lesson. It's been a while and I miss y'all. Medeya, I'm going to record more YouTube video for now. So Medeya, I can't wait to record video. Prep for receiving more video. I'm not talk for talking. I'm really going to do this. Basically, I'm not talking just to talk. I'm going to record more video. I look forward to seeing and speaking to you guys. Love you guys. Mwah.